Welcome to Emma and Emma.
Today we're going to be making bunny marshmallows. This is what we're going to be needing to do the bunny marshmallows. You're going to need marshmallows. You can use any. We have 2 big marshmallows and 4 little marshmallows. We have pink and white ones. You're also going to be needing sprinkles and toothpicks or popsicle sticks or any kind of sticks, and we're going to need edible glue. This is how you make the edible glue. You put 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of warm water, then you mix it up. Alright, so you're going to get the marshmallow and you're going to get a toothpick. You're going to put it in the middle and you're going to poke the hole right in there. This is where the ears are going to go. And you pull it through. Then to make the ears, you're going to get the marshmallow and you're going to not cut it in half, a little less than half, and you're going to cut it. And then you cut it in diagonal. And then it makes 2 ears. If this one is a little thicker, you can just cut it again. Then it makes an ear. Then you put it right here. Then you get the toothpick and you're going to lay it. Then you're going to poke the hole in. Make sure you're not leaving the toothpick in. Okay, so this is how it's going to look when it's done, like this. So then, to make the eyes, you're going to grab the toothpick. You're going to make one right here. And you're going to twist it and then pull it. And then on the other side, you're going to poke it, or it's almost at the end, it's going to poke out. Then you take it out, and then you twist it. If it's not sticky enough, you can do it twice. Then you're going to do the nose, right here. You don't have to make a nose, but we're making a nose. So then it's going to look like that with the holes. So for the eyes, we're using these little sprinkle balls. Right here. I'm going to poke it all the way through. It's fine if it's a little in because it's going to pop out anyways. Then the other one. It's gonna poke out. Then for the nose. Then it's gonna look like this. Then you're gonna use your edible glue. We're using a stick for it. You're going
The back.
to drizzle it on the side. Then you're going to get your sprinkles, and you can do it like this, or you can do it like that. So then it's going to look like
Hey,
a bunny with sprinkles.
how do get out?
So then it's going to look like this at the end.
Thanks for watching. Bye.